Guys, Fabio is half naked from waist down.
It's because on YouTube you don't need to be fully dressed. That's why you save money.
Wow, legs!
Beautiful, right?
Beautiful legs.
I know.
I wish you could see his legs, guys. He's half naked from waist down.
Stop it.
Can you do the intro?
They don't need to know. Hi guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another video.
Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Elle Ocampo performs Ikaw on Idol Philippines. We haven't reacted to this show in so long, and I missed it, and we have to because Moira is there, and Moira is our new
Oh
friend.
my gosh, Moira! Sorry, don't shake me. I'm not a protein shaker.
Okay, so
Hi Moira!
many people have suggested this, but yeah, you have a message for Moira.
Yeah, I just want to tell you, Moira, that I really admire you and Jason, and that I can't wait to meet you. I know I don't like all of your pictures, but I look at all of your stories. Sometimes I skip them because I don't have time.
Honesty!
I just want to set the foundation of our friendship.
Yes,
So
wow.
I just want to be really honest to her right away.
Okay.
And I love your new look with this blush that is coming a
Yes,
bit up
I
on
like
your
her
nose.
bangs.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead right into the video. But before we begin, guys, make sure to subscribe to our travel channel. We are traveling the world for a year next year, and we're also meeting all of our fans all over the world, and we're gonna interview all the Filipinos and asking them how they are, where they're from. So without further ado, let's go right into the video.
I smell like onion because I made these rolls.
His name is Elle, or is she? Is it a guy or a girl?
I don't know. What? Artist.
Oh, I think you like this one. I think this is your style of singing.
Let's see.
I think it's a guy. Wait,
Why do we need to label?
it's a girl. Okay, we're not labeling. Oh. Oh, yeah, Constantino. She's a YouTuber now too. Everyone in the Philippines is a YouTuber now.
Can we have English subtitles?
There's no subtitle. Since he was a kid, he's already an emotional kid. That's what she said. I'll translate it for you. Before I was scared.
Wow, he's 21.
He's only 21. He said before he was scared, but now it feels so good to perform and sing. Just like me. I have that shirt. Eric Santos wearing.
Love this
I
look.
like that look. Rockstar.
It's very androgynous.
He is or she is androgynous. I'm so sorry. Comment below. Oh my god, I was like, what is that? And this is his hat. Oh, I love this song. Oh, I love this song. I love his voice. It's very mellow. It's very lounge music.
I am wondering if this song is a bit too low for him.
No, I like it. I like that none of them are trying to belt anymore. I feel like belting is so last year.
It's overrated.
It's overrated. Belting is overrated. Since we have new artists like Moira and all the people that just like to chill and relax, I feel like this is a new thing. Oh, I like that.
Watching Betty. Hi,
Oh,
Moira.
Moira. I like her eyes. Oh, I love this song. The translation is like, "You are the love that I've been waiting for."
Oh,
Bonnie. I'm kidding.
it's. I feel like Moira loves this person because
That's her style.
it's very, very cool.
Yes. All the emotions, you can see it in his eyes too. I think she's a girl. Oh, he's rapping!
See?
Stop comparing to other artists. I didn't expect the rap. It's not even a rap though. It's like spoken words.
Yeah.
It's like poems. You are the light in the dark.
Oh, Vice ganda.
Wow, she's so into
Beautiful.
it.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Change key.
Oh.
I like that it's like Lumbay. There's like a bend in the notes. The way she sings. Yes, change key.
I am loving this.
You better come through, change key. I love it. Wow.
Wow, nice. Nice look too.
Oh.
Wow, nice. Elle.
Elle, that's his.
Elle, like the girl from Stranger Things.
Elle, yes.
Elle. Now she's gonna go for superpowers. Make
That
Moira
was
bleed.
amazing. What do you think?
Wow, I really like it. I love her style. I love the style. I still haven't figured out if is he a guy or a girl? I don't know. Elle,
Comment below.
maybe a
Well, it doesn't
girl.
matter. In this world, we're not labeling anyone.
Exactly, especially in Canada, they get offended for everything. So we're not labeling. But
How do you
the
like her
styling,
singing?
the style is amazing. The singing is amazing. Singing style is amazing, and I like the facial expressions. Because it's like very, very captivating.
She is very into the song, that for sure. Like she is pouring her emotion on that stage.
Yes, but one thing I always wonder, like with all this, because the camera shoots very close to your face.
Yeah.
I wonder if before you go on stage, they check if in your nose you have things.
Can you imagine?
Because she kept tilting the head back. I could
That
see
would be
in her
so
nose.
embarrassing if there's something
I
on your
know.
face, your eyes, your nose.
Jeez.
If anything, if I go on an interview on TV, that would be me. With dandruff everywhere.
Oh my god, this guy.
I don't have dandruff now. I fixed it. I put oil in it. I moisturized it.
We don't want to know about your problems.
Anyway, let's go back to the singing. That was very good. Like I said, she was pouring her emotion, and it was just one of my favorite songs. And I like that she was bending the song. I can't sing it because I'm sick, you guys, and you know I could.
That's not
sing
why you cannot
perfectly.
sing. That's
But
why. That's not why.
But you know what I mean, right? Like when she sings and she bends the note, like like that.
Wow.
Well,
Do it
know.
again?
No, it's stop. But I like it like
Moira
that.
is watching. Be careful.
Moira is watching, and then
Be careful.
there was an issue before Moira and Regine were fighting because apparently all the singers are now sounding the same.
Oh.
So they're copying the Moira style type of singing.
Oh no wonder.
But like I said, everyone now is done with belting, I think. Singing competitions now, it's not about belting now. Like there's a new style of this new generation that you just would like
it's
to
very
sing.
rampant.
It's very rampant.
New
now.
generation.
It's very rampant. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what kind of other videos you would like us to do next.
And comment down below with your city, because we're planning next month. We're gonna be planning each single week of our tour. So comment below your city. We can squeeze it in, maybe, hopefully, and we can meet you there.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye guys.